how you can fix the extraction failed cannot open output file error. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let us begin. So first let me tell you the cause behind this error. So when you try to open a zip file like this, you will need an extractor. Now this error occurs when you don't have an extractor installed on your device. Now the extractor we'll be using is WinRAR. Now to download this, just open up your browser and search for WinRAR. After you search for it, tap on download right here. And after you do that, just scroll down and you'll find the download option. Now you don't need to buy it, it's completely free. Just tap on download and you'll be able to download WinRAR. Now I've already installed it, so I'll show you guys how you can extract the file. Now just go to the file right here and right click on the file, and right there you will see the extract all option. Tap on extract all and choose a location and just tap on extract, and yeah, just do that. I already have the file, so I won't be having any issue. So there you go, the file's been extracted, and that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye.